Okay, now that we've logged in, we're going to go ahead and start a post. And this is one of the most basic things you're going to do for blogging. Your posts can be categorized, and it's a good way to convey the information you want to your audience and let them know what you have to offer and what you're all about. Your thoughts, your opinions, and just your life experiences in general. Using it for business can be a huge plus, given the fact that it helps with your search engine optimization. And we'll get into that in a little bit and how that all plays into garnering massive traffic to your website. And if it's done right and you listen to the right information, you can make this happen for yourself and reap the rewards. So we're going to do a post. We've already clicked into this. Up here, new post. Here's where you're going to put your title. Something good. You can use AI, not try and make it really specific about what the post is about and what they can find when they actually click the link to come into the post to find what you've written down here in the body of it. And down here is where you're going to put your text, and you can add images by clicking the Add Media button, and it will take you to your library where you're going to find all the images that you have available excuse me, to yourself and others that you've uploaded already. So if you haven't done that yet, you can start organizing your photos to be uploaded to your media library that you're going to use for your posts, pages, and the feel for your website. It also allows you to put video in. It allows you to size the images, to put alt text behind the image, an image description, and some other things. Then down here, as you type, you'll see the text come up down here, and it's not really formatted yet. So you can start to format this. You can make it a heading, however you want to structure your post. You can make it bold. We just did that. You can make it italics. You can turn it into a block quote. You can make it into a list type situation from 1 all the way down. Every time you hit the enter key, it will give you new numbers. And you can do bullet type formatting with it. So we just turned that into a bullet. And this is for positioning with the block quote turned on like we've done. Positioning is kind of locked a little bit. It wants to keep it to one side. We'll take that off. We'll take the bullets off. And that'll show you how that starts to get arranged on your post. Now, if you want to enter a link for this, you hit this icon right here, and that's the link. Insert key. And you get a dialog box here, and it says paste your URL or type to search. Now, when it says type to search, it's allowing you to search for a link within your website of pages, front page, information page, contact page, frequently asked questions, or additional posts. And you'll put whatever you want to link that text to right there in that box. Next, what you're going to do is want to come over here and possibly make the font a different color. And you can do that here, choosing your color box with this key right here. And that's going to get you started with composing posts to allow you to start building out your website and becoming known for what the theme or the um, point of information is for this site. We hope that helps. That's a drill down on creating a new post in WordPress, and hope you liked it. And we're going to be doing more of these tutorials and showing people that have little to no experience and some that are intermediate and even advanced in our program. So if you want more, visit hightrafficmarketing.com. That's www.hightrafficmarketing.com, and sign up to our email address, and we will see you later. Thank you.